have my Corolla in a shop. Last video, you'll know that I broke my car drifting it at drift school. We are pretty sure at least something in the diff, perhaps the mini spool, is broken, but it's possible that also like at least one axle is snapped. I'm pretty sure it's not both because I still have power. Like this car drove here from my house, which is like maybe 5 blocks away or something, maybe like 2 blocks. I don't really know how blocks work. But it got here, it still technically drives. It sounds really, really bad. So today we're gonna open up the diff here with Liam. We're gonna see what's wrong. I have a spare open diff and I have some spare wagon axles that'll at least get it home and not sound horrible. So yeah, we're gonna hook this guy up and we're gonna see what's going on. Woo!
Yeah, what?
Take him out, boy.
Yeah.
This isn't even grabbing. That's funny. There we go.
What is this?
What?
What is that?
What is what?
What is who?
Who's where?
Who's what? Okay. I need, gentlemen, I need you to come here. So she's working on her car. She's doing her thing. I need you both, come here. Introduce yourself for the series. So I need your likes, your dislikes, your height. I need to know, like...
I am a full-size man of full height and full weight. I am not of Norwegian descent. I'm from Victoria, BC, here at the shop. Working
And your
with
name,
the lady.
sir?
Name? I don't know.
Okay.
It's close.
It's Klaus, yeah, it's Klaus.
Klaus.
Sir, who are you?
I'm
We
Sat.
might see you in future episodes.
I am Sat. I'm here for moral support and to judge.
What are your likes and dislikes? What's your height and your length?
I like things on Facebook, and I dislike nothing.
Okay, that's his.
I'm this tall.
That's all. Ah, fair enough. Where are we at, Bean?
We almost got the bolty boys off here. If you want, you can take a look at how broken that bitch is.
Okay, let's follow the axle here.
I don't know how 60 horsepower did that. But...
Now, actually, we can go. I was cheeseclothing the oil that came out of the diff. Because there was chunks. I don't know if it's cheeseclothing.
I'm not.
Okay. Actually, you know what? It's not as impressive. I was hoping there'd be more metal chunks in here, and there isn't.
That's upsetting.
Only one little chunk. Yeah.
So what are you doing, Bean? Why are you doing it?
I'm taking out these bad boys. I don't actually know what they're called. But we're doing this so we can get the other axle out, so then we can take the, open up the diff, and then see what fucked off.
No, these are hung
So we've got one more to go here.
Get that torque in there.
I'm gonna put this down
He's just literally sliding.
so it doesn't fly. Quinn has tried to train me to be good at cars and not lose anything, but I'm pretty bad actually. I just want to leave everything on the ground. But good habits will probably help me in the world.
You have to pull a pin out of the center. Yeah. If you pull that out, it allows you to shove the axles in just enough to then pull these 2 big C-clips out. Then when the C-clips come up, then here. Honestly, that nothing in my opinion is better than this. But
they're also not running like this.
no, and they have their own fault. It's just it's easier to service than this. Like this one, if you want to do anything,
Technically just slide out and it should be the whole axle. This one should be good because it's still been driving. But it's I very much doubt that I'll be able to pull this out.
it's not that it's hard. It's not that it's hard. It's just a little more work.
Liam,
Yeah?
you want to help?
Okay.
Girl.
Nuts. Got him. And then you're going to get 2 of those guys.
Ooh, put it in. Oh yeah, put it in, girl.
If I can get it to thread.
Oh, get it
No,
in
I
there.
have fears of cross-threading. Help.
You got it. Slow and steady usually cross threads the race. There you go.
Yeah, get it in there, girl. Come on, you can do it.
Oh, I can... There you go. Yeah, that's it.
Commit to the
It's just
threading.
awkward because you're holding up the weight of that when you're doing it. And then yeah, give her a few turns, get her in there a few. Because this one, now the thing is, if you have to start putting a lot of force into slam barring an axle out, that's when you want to start doing other things like not using your actual.
Sorry, what's it
nuts.
called?
Slam barring.
Slam
It's
bar.
a slide slide hammer.
It's a bar.
Bar.
Slam it.
This is my wife. We call her Bar.
That's your mom, isn't it?
Yeah, it is my mom.
So yeah, you're probably in there good enough now. Now, you want to give this a couple of little slams. Give her a few gentle slams. If it doesn't come out with some gentle slams, go harder than that. A gentle slam for me, but if gentle slam for a man would be hard slam for a woman.
Yes.
Yes. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Good one.
Yeah, check that thing off. There it is. You got it. You did
Yeah,
it.
you did it.
You did it. It came.
Okay, now you gotta unthread the boy.
Ow.
Come on, Tuggy. Yeah.
I'm worried.
Check out this guy. See, yeah. You got it. Now you got the wobble and the wibble. Yeah, pull and wibble and pull. Yeah, there you is. You did it. Oh yeah, it's drippy. Oh,
dragging the axle.
oh, it's drippy. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Oh, that axle unfortunately is in good shape. That's a shame.
Ah, fuck.
Shit. So did you guys
In the
actually
hole.
get some genuine Corolla station wagon axle boys, or were they?
We do have genuine.
This
Yeah.
guy's not okay.
What's not okay?
Look at this. He's crying.
Oh no!
Jesus Christ.
That doesn't look like a problem to me.
Show me the crack. Give me the
That doesn't
crack.
look like a problem to me. I would just.
I would just JB weld it together.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, fuck, why?
Because
Why?
40-year-old tiny axle problems.
Axle hop.
haven't-
So, just to give you guys a little bit of context here, this is what's called a leaf spring. It is a spring that runs all the way across here. Most of you guys have like modern S13s, which are also 30-year-old cars, but don't have leaf springs in them. And this guy, when he accelerates, sometimes will do a lovely S shape, and then S shape the other way, and then S shape back again at a sudden rate of speed, hammering the diff apart. So
Do you like putting an impact gun on your pinion? Because that's kind of what you're doing.
it's called axle hop. And your S13 will do it when all the bushings are blown out of it. So we got basically, yeah, that bearing is effed. That axle is effed. Hooray!
I do have 2 spare axles, but they're kind of like crunchy, but they will get me home. At
Yeah.
least, which kind of sucks to be like, oh, I'm gonna throw these in to drive 5 blocks and then I have to park my car again. But I guess that's what we're gonna do.
I don't know if you guys have heard a term that was popularized recently in the last few years. It's an attitude referring to not caring about doing things and
Yeet.
being really big about what's happening. The term would be send it, I think is what the kids say these days. So you could put the axles in and send it to your driveway. Very
I
slowly,
should send
so
it to
nothing
my
else breaks.
friend. Yeah. And then we'll talk about some of the options for this car in a little bit, because there are some options.
Options?
I got all the bolts off the diff, but then they were really difficult to get off, and so
Somebody
I made
ruined everything.
somebody.
Sorry.
This is a bucket.
Everything was stripped.
Fuck out of here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So we're going to find out if it's a mini or a full. It is a mini, I can guarantee you.
Watch all the chunks that shake out.
Chonk shaking with
I'm
Liam.
actually more curious about the chunks in the diff, but we'll figure that out soon. So that doesn't have a chunk.
This guy
Oh, she fucked. Okay, so
Bish
you
be
have another
fucked.
diff, right?
Ooh yeah.
Yeet.
Check that out.
10 out of 10. Watch the phone and you'll get oil dripping.
It's okay. We want oil on it. It's more authentic, chonky boy.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
chunk.
Where's that screwdriver?
Oh yeah, here's a big nugget. Oh boy, we got a silver nugget in there.
That's his pan and that's his pan for getting nuggets.
That's a good one. That's a really good one.
That's horrible. That's
well-
horrifying.
Can we take it to the local jeweler and see if we can get money for it? Yeah.
Bearing up too.
Oh
Hell
no, it's
yeah.
fucked. The diff's garbage.
Yay!
It actually rattled around so much
Yeah.
that the lock, the threaded lock collar here, like started to move. That's
What's the
amazing.
lesson of this,
The
Liam?
lesson of this?
Don't drift.
Don't drift a crappy 40-year-old car with leaf springs and not expect to have a bad time. Let's be honest, you got a fair bit out of this before it blew up.
A whole year. 1
Yeah.
year exactly.
1 year? Okay. Well,
Actually, literally 1 year. Yeah.
good news
Yeah.
is you have
Anybody got an S13 for sale?
you have a spare diff, right?
I do.
Shut up. Get out of here.
Oh my god. Actually, the lesson is convert your leaf springs to 4-link.
Actually, the lesson here is buy a G35.
Oh, no.
Oh, junk.
Chat it.
Chad time,
Shout out to
USA.
Chads all around.
Shout out to Chad's.
Bruh.
Broski.
crap.
Oh my
Ring
god.
and pinion's good.
The good news is you said you have a spare diff.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Excellent.
think we do.
We think. Oh,
Yeah.
I like how we tricked Liam into taking it apart. Ha ha ha,
Not my
idiot!
voice. You know
Yeah,
what?
yeah.
Do you want more?
No, not
More
really.
gold?
I don't. Oh,
Beautiful, beautiful gold.
There's
Yeah,
so
get that.
much stuff in the case.
Get them fingies dirty from me.
Yeah, get him, boy.
Yeah, get 'em.
Yeah.
Put your hand in that dirty pouch.
Oh, yeah.
She's a squirter.
Ah.
She's a squirter. Look at that.
Oh, it's gross.
Oh, why are you doing it then?
Stop.
It's fun.
He likes it. Look at him.
What are you working on, Bean?
I'm undoing these bad boys so we can take the pins out so we can get the chunks out. Because I only got this much chunk out, but there's a lot of chunk in there. So we're trying to get these little tabby boys off so we can undo the bolts.
How much chonk?
It's quite a bit of chonk.
So much chonk.
Heckin' lot of chonk.
Honkin'
Taking a lot of chunk there, bud. These are almost good.
We're all high on energy drink.
Do you hear that buzzing noise? I can't tell.
Yeah.
I'm turning the music back up a little bit.
That's not the right size.
You did it. Okay.
I don't think. What?
Make sure that's nice and tight, Bean.
No.
Tighten it down there, Bean.
Now that you have this, these are my. I don't know.
Okay, take that ring gear off. Just for context, this is the broken differential, so don't panic if we're doing things wrong, because this thing's hacked.
Very wrong.
Yeah. Come on, Bean, get that torque in there. Yes.
She's slipping in your vise. These are a soft jaw, so you can give her a bit of a scorf.
Ow.
A Scorpendorf?
Yeah.
Rest of them.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Now, when you're loosening circular pattern bolts, usually you want to do a crissy-crossy pattern just as a general rule of thumb. With a ring gear, it's not as important, but
Send it.
there you go. Look at this. You did it.
Just loosen them all off. You can finger him after.
I didn't realize that the inner race actually shattered on this.
Yeah, it sure did.
You hear that? Have you seen this? That's the inner part of the
Yeah, she got hacked.
stub where the axle went in, but it shattered that race. Amazing.
She got hacked.
That is impressive.
Yeah. Send it.
That was a little aggressive.
Yes. The trigger is pressure sensitive. Those, you can set those guys aside.
You don't want to keep those.
We made it home, or Quinn made it home in this car. It moved under its own power to here. So we put in a new open diff and we put in two new axles that we cleaned up. Their bearings were kind of garbage, but the other bearings were, one was cracked and then the other axle was like cranched.
Exploded.
It exploded, yes. So that's gonna be good for now. It's not gonna be ideal to drift on, mostly because the diff is open. I mean, I could, but I'd rather not because I'll still have axle hop and then I could explode my bearings again. So the idea for the future is to either, well, before any of this happened, I was planning to 4-link this car, so I will probably have to do that and either throw in better wagon axles that aren't absolutely garbage, or the other idea is to get a truck axle from a 2-wheel drive Toyota Boy. Most people don't want those, so, but for me it's an upgrade, so I might steal one of those and throw it in there. Then I have to get like a custom drive shaft. I have to redo my exhaust, to re-drill the axles to 4-bolt because I can't spin wheels that are 5-bolt because they don't exist in 13s. The list goes on. And then with the 4-link, it'd be converting the shocks in there to like coil over because then there's no springs if you take out the leaf springs. So there's a lot of issues and it's gonna be a lot of work. I probably won't drive Capital Drift's next event, which is Pumpkin Smash, but I hope maybe if I am doing things, maybe I could get it for November practice. I don't have many high hopes for that, but it's possible. Next year though, and get all my four-link did and get things in there that aren't gonna break, and I can drift again. It's gonna be really awesome. So thanks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks Liam, and thanks Quinn, and thanks Matt, and thanks Angel for bringing food.
Yay.
Bye.
They ate